Good morning students. Last class we discussed about rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, rational numbers two types discussed: terminating decimal, non-terminating decimal. And also see, terminating decimal to rational numbers means what we done means after decimal point how many values will be, that means zeros coming in denominator. Okay, shortcuts also we discussed for non-terminating and repeating decimal. Now rationalization means, for example, 1 by root 2. Rationalization 1 by root 2. Here 1 by root 2. Root 2 is a irrational number. Root 2 is a irrational number. We want rational number. We want rational number in denominator. Then what we will do? Their irrational number whatever will be, multiply for both numerator denominator with that number only. Then the number is called RF. Rationalization factor. Rationalization factor. Here RF is rationalization factor is 1 by root 2 means multiply with that number only. Here RF is root 2. Here RF is root 2. Rationalization factor. So into root 2 by root 2. Into root 2 by root 2. Then multiply here is equal 1 into any value, that number only. So root 2 by root 2 into root 2, root 2 whole square. Root 2 into root 2, root 2 whole square. Here possible cancellation. Here possible cancellation. Then root 2 by 2. Root 2 by 2. 2 means 2 is a rational number. 2 means 2 is a rational number. Why? Because see here there is no square root will be. Square root is there means that is a irrational number. So rationalization means we don't want any irrational number in denominator. In denominator. See, we will take one more here. 2 by root 7. 2 by root 7. In denominator, root 7 is a irrational number. Here RF is rationalization factor is what is the irrational number, that number only. So here rationalization factor is root 7. So into root 7 by root 7 is equal 2 into root 7. 2 root 7. 2 into root 7. 2 root 7 by root 7 into root 7. 2 times we will multiply. Root 7 into root 7 whole square. So is equal 2 root 7 by 7. 2 root 7 by 7. This is rationalization factor. What is the irrational number here? We multiply both numerator denominator with that number only. With which number we are multiplying? That is called RF, rationalization factor. Rationalizing factor. Okay. Now single number is there means we are doing like that. Maybe possible here. Two numbers coming means what we will do? Two numbers coming means, for example, 1 by 3 plus root 2. 1 by 3 plus root 2. Here 1 is a rational number and 3 plus root 2. In 3 plus root 2, this is the addition operation. Rational and irrational only. So here area of rationalization factor is what is the irrational number, that number only. But at the time of two values coming, what we will take here, just change the operation. Here addition will be, we should take opposite operation. So we will multiply here 3 minus root 2. 3 minus root 2 will multiply. Then we will get rational number in denominator. So into 3 minus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. 3 minus root 2 by 3 minus root 2. Then equal 1 into any value, that number only. 3 minus root 2. See one formula, look like one formula here. Already we know one formula. A plus B into A minus B is equal A square minus B square. A square minus B square. This is the formula we are using here. See A plus B, here A is 3. A plus B, A minus B, here A is 3. B is root 2. So by A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. A is equal to 3. 3 square minus root 2 whole square. Root 2 whole square. So is equal 3 minus root 2 by 3 square means 3 into 3. 3 square means 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 minus, here possible cancellation, square root 2. So is equal 3 minus root 2 by 3 minus root 2 by 7. See 9 minus 2, 7. So here two numbers will be, two numbers means their rationalization factor is just to change the operation. Plus means minus, minus means plus. We'll take one more example here. 1 by root 7 minus root 6. 1 by root 7 minus root 6 into, here RF rationalizing factor is just to change the operation. Minus means plus, plus means minus. So root 7 plus root 6 by root 7 plus root 6. Already we discussed formula. Using that formula only, 1 into any number, that number only. Root 7 plus root 6 by, look like same formula before we discussed A plus B into A minus B, or A minus B into A plus B, also A square minus B square only. So A, here A is root 7, B is root 6. A square root 7 whole square minus B square root 6 whole square is equal root 7 plus root 6 by square root 2 cancel, square root 2 cancel, 7 minus 6, 7 minus 6, so root 7 plus root 6. Why? 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. 1 writing also, not writing also, there is no different will be. Okay, maybe plus means here plus is there, multiply for both numerator denominator means RF is here plus means minus, here minus means plus. This is rationalization. In this rationalization, different problems are there. We discussed a few. Okay, next one more example we will see. One more problem. See, root 6 by root 3 minus root 2. Root 6 by root 3 minus root 2. Then RF is root 3 plus root 2. Root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 plus root 2. Same value will be, just to change the operation. Here minus means here plus, here plus means there minus, is equal root 6 into this value, root 6 into root 3 plus root 2 by, we know formula A plus B into A minus B. So root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square, root 2 whole square. Here see square root 2 cancel, here also square root cancel. Here root 6 into, left to distributive property, this is root 6 into root 3 plus root 6 into root 2, root 6 into root 3 plus root 6 into root 2 by 3 minus 2, 1. So is equal to 6 3s are root 18 plus 6 2s are root 12. Root 12. By 1 writing also, not writing also, there is no use. So here RF means plus means minus coming, minus means plus coming. Next say, here one more example. Root 10, already we know the values. Root 2 is equal to 1.414, comma, root 3 is equal to 1.732, 1.732, root 2 is equal to 1.414, root 3 is equal to 1.732, root 5 is equal to 2.236, then root 10 minus root 15 by 2 root 2 is equal root 10. It is possible to write root 5 into 5 2s are, it is possible to write, okay, minus here in the place of 15 it is possible to write 5 into 3, 5 3s are, by 2 root 2 is equal, here see root 5 value 2 point, already we know the formula, root AB is equal to root A into root B, root AB is equal to root A into root B. Using this formula, here possible to write here root 5 into root 2, root 5 into root 2 minus root 5 into root 3, okay, by 2 root 2 is equal, here see root 5 is common value, otherwise 2.236 into 1.414 minus 2.236 into 1.732 by 2 into 1.414. Here to multiply these two value according to BODMAS, multiply these two value, subtraction doing after divided by here 2.828, then we will get answer. Like that different problems are there, ma. We will discuss still more problems, and in that 2-3 big problems are there, ma, in rationalization. And see, for doing next problems we have few formulas. We have few formulas regarding exponents. We have few formulas here. For example, a power m into a power n is equal a power m plus n. A power m plus n. A power m whole power n is equal to a power mn. Anything power 0 is equal 1. Next, ab whole power m is equal a power m into b power m. Next, a by b power m is equal a power m by b power m. Next, a power m by a power n is equal here a power m minus n when m is greater than n is equal 1 when m is equal n is equal 1 by a power n minus m is here m is less than n. Okay, like that exponents few formulas are there. Using these formulas next class we will discuss few problems.